Hey Sergio, Bill here. Hey, just wanted to show you guys what I was letting you guys know, what I call is a value video, and it's going to kind of show you what the other houses that compare to the one that we're looking at, what they're worth and what the values are. So here's the property that we're looking at over on Kenneth Lane. So I got off the phone with the agent, and he let me know that that they're getting a lot of activity on this property, and he already has one offer over asking, and he said he's expecting quite a few more. So I told him that I'll touch base with him tomorrow to really get an idea of where they're at. But they're at the $479 price right now, so looking at it, looks like we are going to have to go above asking to have a chance at this property. And so here's the property. So it's the 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2221 square foot, and it was built in 2009 with a 6100 square foot lot. So let me show you what I found. So I went back 6 months, and I did show I only did 4 bedrooms, and I did include a 5-bedroom house, and also 2 bedroom and 3 or 2 bathroom and 3 bathroom homes, just so you could kind of see what the values are that are going to be close to the property that we're looking at. So what I did was I only went a mile out from the property. So here's the property right here, and all the other properties that have sold are in blue, and the ones in green are the ones active. This one for 760. Don't look at this one. This one is has like 40 acres or something like that, so it has a lot, so not really comparable, but everything else is pretty comparable. You can see going down the street, the price ranges are, these houses are all older, so this is like a newer development right here, like Oakley's mixed with new homes and older homes, so there is a value difference in each one. So there's one that sold for $515. This is a very good comparable. It's a single story, but has 3-car garage, but it was around the same size as the property we're looking at. There's another one that sold right here for $500,000. So let's kind of go into detail. This one's in the same neighborhood and sold for $500,000. So let's see the details of these properties. So this is what appraisers do when they value a property. This is the facts that they're going to be looking at. Okay, so like let's say we write an offer, they're going to see, well, does our offer price the same value of what it's worth? Okay, so they're going to look at these 2 properties right here, and so here's a property right here. This one's a little larger, but it does have 1 less bathroom, and it was a little older, 2003 built, and it did have a 3-car garage, and it sold for $515. Okay, so this one wasn't too far, pretty comparable. I mean, it's a different style home, but close to the same size. Pretty upgraded and clean, but again sold for $515,000. Look at the lot size; it's 3,000 square foot more, so a lot larger. Okay, so let's go to the other property. This one is in the same exact neighborhood. This is off Kinney. Here's Kenneth. The property that we're looking at is right here, and then this property is right here. So it's right down the street, same neighborhood, and it had 1 less bathroom, but again a little larger in square footage. It was a single story, built in 2004, and it did have 3-car garage, but it sold for $500, so pretty close to that. So these are the 2 comparables that appraisers would use, because everything else are older. Like see, like 1995, 1993. I mean, there's nothing newer. Here's one right here. It sold. This one's in 2005. It sold for $421. So that one's going to be hard to compare because it's not the same value of what we're looking at. So this one very close to what your property is, but at $421. This was back in November. So looking at the values, this is the range that I'm seeing right here is going to be close to these properties right here, and I see that the value is pretty close. It might come in a little lower than the $500,000 just because it's a smaller square footage, but it does have an extra bathroom. This one only has 2, and it's a little older, and it does have 1 more car garage. 1 more car garage is worth about $5,000 in appraisals eyes, but then when the house is 5 years older, It does have a larger lot, and a little bit more square footage, just like this one. But good comparables just to kind of show you that the house can appraise close to these values. Not all the way, but pretty close. Okay, so I hope this helps, as far as like showing you what the houses are worth in this area and the values. And you give me a call if you have any questions, and I'll reach out to you tomorrow and let you know what I find out from the agent to see if what we would have to do to have a chance at this property. Okay, you can call me if you have questions. 510-685-9178.